What's up guys, it's Michaela with the Corpus Christi Cooking Club. Today we're going to be making heart-shaped pizza for Valentine's Day Parent and Me class I have coming up, a dessert-shaped pizza, and a pepperoni pizza, both shaped like hearts, and I'm so excited for this. I hope you guys can take that class. But we're going to be doing this pizza recipe with a little bit of a twist. You see, I play pickleball with my fiance pretty regularly, and I think, I'm staying fit, but my boyfriend really wants us to be like this fit workout couple thing, and so he was looking at me and he was like, "Oh, Michaela, like that jacket you're wearing, like you're looking a little chunky, like your car." And I was like, "Excuse me? You did not just say that to me." I was like, "Where did he get the audacity? It's a good thing you're cute and you wash my dishes, cause." But anyways, that kind of inspired me that sometimes a little bit more messy whenever I'm easing out my recipes and cooking in general. Sometimes I can be a little bit more messy when I'm in the zone, especially when I'm recipe developing, because I'm not performing, I'm just kind of relaxed. And so sometimes I make a little more mistakes. And so as a challenge for myself and a challenge for y'all, if you guys wanted to follow along, is every time I miss the bowl or make a mistake, I will do 10 jumping jacks. And so, honey, if you're watching this, no, I'm not chunky. It's just cold outside. And so, let's get started. Do you think that counts as a spill? Do you think that counts as a spill? I made a total about 4 spills, though I feel like I shouldn't count the last one because it was more me wiping off any excess flour, dough off my hands with flour. That's a baker's trick to not gunk up your sink. But because I don't want to get flamed for a technicality, I'm going to take this off because otherwise I'm going to start sweating. I will do 40 jumping jacks. Okay, are you ready? I feel like I'm going to have really bad form. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, I did it. So, I'm going to clean up this table, and then I'm going to let the pizza dough rise. Typically, I like to let the doughs rest overnight, since we're recipe developing under a time crunch. Then we're just gonna do it today. But normally, yes, we are using the King Arthur pizza dough recipe with King Arthur flour, and I find that one tastes better whenever it's developed overnight. But again, it's your pizza, and then we're just eating this right away. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up, and then I'm going to show you the toppings for the pizza and cut up pepperoni into little hearts. So yeah, so these are pepperonis. We're going to be doing cheese for the pizza. I got these heart-shaped cookie cutters, so that way I can cut out the hearts and pepperonis. I'm thinking about cutting out the hearts on the strawberries as well. Haven't decided yet. That will for dessert pizza. And then I have this sauce right here for the pizza. I really like this brand, especially the tomato and basil. I just feel like it really tastes really good, almost as good as homemade. And then for dessert pizza, we have these strawberries. I need to wash them. We have M&Ms for crunch. I got these almonds for crunch, but I might omit them. I don't know, because I'm kind of wary about putting too many nuts. These are blanched and silvered. I kind of like nuts should be roasted whenever they go in things to help bring out extra flavor. I got these chunks because I feel like I don't want like a bunch of the same type of things. I don't want a bunch of circles on my pizza. I want different shapes and sizes. That way it looks more creative and more interesting and appealing to the eye. I also got peanut butter, but I also got these Reese's peanut butter chips, and so I might drizzle the peanut butter on, or I might leave it off, or I might just put these on. I'm trying, and then I got these marshmallows. I was thinking I could brown them on it, and then they'd have that nice like flavor. There might be too much going on in this pizza. That's why I'm recipe developing it, because I can take some things off, maybe if they don't really fit, and go. There's this really helpful book called The Flavor Bible, and this helps show you like all like the different like flavor combinations that go together. Like for example, chocolate and espresso go really good together, and so using that would help you. Like chocolate and raspberry go good together, chocolate and hazelnut go good together. I think almonds go good in there too. I'd have to check in the book, but again, that's part of recipe developing, and this book helps with recipe developing. And then I have Nutella, which I left over there on one of the other counters to go down as the base. And I also have this. I have some leftover ganache from another class as well, from Mochi Donut class. And so I might use the ganache instead of this. I'm kind of playing it by ear, but I might just do the Nutella as a base and then do everything else on top, and then like let it melt a little bit in the oven. I'm only gonna put it in there like a minute or two. So yeah, that's where I'm at. I'm gonna cut out the heart shapes for the pepperonis, and then I'm going to slice some strawberries and see what the cookie cutter does for those as well. So let's see. I don't know. What do y'all think? Okay, so we have two pans, same type. That way it can be even testing. I'm gonna put olive oil on them. That way the dough doesn't stick too much. I really like this brand. It smells so sweet. Okay, divide it in half. Okay, that look like a heart to you? Looks like a heart to me. So this one is going to be the pepperoni pizza. Aha! See? Just pickleball. Okay, and then let's do the cheese. A little bit of Parmesan too as well. And then the heart slice, shaped slices. And this one just gets par baked. I'm gonna bake this one for a little bit less time than that one. Just enough till it's browned, and then I'm gonna put the rest of the, I'm gonna put the toppings on it, okay? Cool. Taking one pizza out of the oven. Okay, and I left the other one in because I think that the bottom isn't as brown as I like it. So now I've got it brown, and I'm going to spread the Nutella over. I need to buy a lot of Nutella for this class. I can already tell. Don't get any Nutella on the edges, but you know what? Maybe that's more authentic for a pizza. Anyways, you know, with that little tomato sauce goodness. Okay, so now I've got that on there, and then I'm loosely following a video I saw. Well, not a video, a picture I saw of someone who about to sprinkle my hearts like in there as like kind of like, yeah, you can cut out little shapes, but it's not always going to work out that way because I'm not buying bougie strawberries that like, because you know, like in like the Asian supermarkets, they have like different grades of strawberries, and you can get like the more expensive kinds, and they're like all like these perfect uniform things, or maybe like organics market here in the United States, but I don't got nothing like that here unless maybe I went to Floou. I don't think that's really the same thing, and so I'm doing my best. I'm trying to put like the little hearts like in there, so that way like it shows that I did my best to do little hearts. I think the little hearts is better if it's like sprinkled in there. Anyways, and so now there are hearts on the pizza. This, and then I'm gonna leave these strawberries out. Maybe that's what I'll do. Maybe I'll just take some of the strawberries off the pizza. See, we're recipe developing today. We're exploring what will make this pizza look bomb. Up here, I'm going to sprinkle some peanut butter over it. That looks cute. Okay. And I'm going to take some of my M&Ms on my other pizza. That way I know it's not burning. Eesh, why are these so hard to open? Why are these so hard to open? Oh my goodness. I like opened the other can easy and I was like, oh, I don't need to work out. Oh. Yeah, wow. And now, maybe the pretzels would be good. I don't know, do people like pretzels? So now I've got some chocolate chunks as well on top of the M&Ms. I don't know, I feel like that's good enough. And then we're gonna add some marshmallows. I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna add any peanut butter. I feel like that's good enough. This looks like diabetes on pizza. And then we're gonna do some graham cracker, just a little bit of graham cracker, not a lot. I guess these spills count as I only spilled like a couple, guys. Put it in the oven for like 2 seconds. Pizza's done. Now I'll get my other pizza. It looks so cute! We have both of these lovely pizzas out of the oven. I'm gonna get a blowtorch for these marshmallows. I put them into the oven for a little bit, and I feel like I could get, I didn't put it in too much longer because I didn't want to, I didn't feel like roasted, hot strawberries isn't really my idea of a good time. I don't know if it's y'all's idea of a good time. And so I think I'm just gonna get a blowtorch, and I'm gonna like blowtorch like the marshmallows, that way they get a little bit caramely, but look how beautiful this pizza turned out. I don't really like how the edges curled up, but it is what it is. I'm gonna go get a blowtorch. Fun fact, if you have a birthday party in the Corpus Christi Cooking Club, your candle is lit by a flame torch. I make the rules. No, sorry. Looks pretty good to me. So now that I've torched them up, I spilled some stuff over here. I think I spilled like 30 things, and so I did not forget my challenge. And so I'll be doing 30 more jumping jacks, and then I will cut these pizzas. I will taste test them, and I'll decide what needs to go, what's good, what's bad. I'm pretty sure this one's gonna be fire. I think just some garlic on the crust might make it good, better. And yeah, all right, here we go. I think my rhythm improved. Okay. Now let's practice how to cut a Valentine cookie. So, together. Okay. We can do the same thing. Oh no, I'm gonna do more jumping jacks. Oh no, okay. Well, it was a cool idea. Now this is everywhere. Only a little bit of things fell. Like one thing, okay. 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 Alright. I feel like the bottom could be a little bit more golden, but still pretty. Really liked it. Maybe some garlic for the crust as well. And then maybe get a piece that has like a little bit of everything. Okay. I think I'm just gonna have to like kind of scoop it on there. I'm gonna take these marshmallows over here. There's a lot of it. Oh, kids outside. I wonder if I should have them taste test this. They're kind of like hitting each other in the face with smoke grenades. Actually, I don't know if that's a good idea. Actually, what is that? Is it like, is that like, I don't know what that is. Maybe I should have them taste test this all. I don't know if I have enough for all of them. But let's see. I'm not giving them the cheese pizza because that one I want to have. Let's go make some friends with boys. Which, if we shoot each other with grenades, I just realized maybe giving them sugar isn't the best idea, but you know. Okay. Let's see what they think. Okay, I am back, and their only modification that they said was probably no peanuts because one of the kids had an allergy, and so thankfully I said, don't try this. And then they also wanted more strawberries and more Nutella. So I was actually surprised because I thought the kids wouldn't want strawberries, but they actually really like the strawberries. So I was like, oh, okay. And so this is all I have left, and yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. You can subscribe to my page if you want to see more videos like this where I'm recipe developing. And if you're local to Corpus Christi or somewhere in that area, Texas, we're 2 hours from San Antonio and 2 hours from Brownsville and 3 hours from Houston. If you want to come take a cooking class, I'd love to cook with you. So take care. Bye.